my god, guys.
Hey.
Clementine is ready in time.
Hey.
20 minutos.
No, 15.
Pero
¿Pero qué?
vamos a el Peñol.
Al Piedra del PEñol.
Sí. Subimos y después fiesta o siesta. Porque anoche, tomé mucho. Ay. Anyway, we're gonna get a tuk-tuk. We're gonna go to the top, and I need to change this battery because it's about to die. As it's 8:30 right now. That's right when it opens. It's the best time to go. Apparently, no one will be there. Someone told me Colombians don't do anything before 10 o'clock, so we're about to go find out. And all we need is a tuk.
La piedra, 12 total.
Gracias. You said 12?
Sí, es 20.
He said 12. We're only supposed to pay 4, whatever. We're gonna have to pay 50 more cents. Shield.
There it is. There's the rock we're gonna climb. Subimos. Dime.
Impresivo.
Okay. Un momento, got to pay.
Wow, look.
Yeah, there's a cable car. Look at that. No one's here either. So we got this whole path. Oh, by the way, it took 11 minutes to get there and pay, so it's about a 10-minute ride. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go to the top El Peñol. Uh-oh, more people coming. We gotta go. Vamos. Freaking insane. What is this thing? I'm so glad the weather's good today.
Yes.
It's so much better. Look at that lake. All right, I think this is where we pay. Michelle challenged me. She said, when I get to the steps, 15 minutes to the top, I told her I'm a smoker. So this one's for you, Rochelle. I'm gonna beat you to the top. Oh, looking at it, like it's not as many steps as I thought. I guess it's like 700 steps, something like that. But I feel like I'm gonna be up that in a couple of minutes. It's not gonna be hard. All right, let's pay the ticket and see how much it is. Buen día. Solo uno. Gracias. What is it? Oh, we need that shit.
No, estoy vacunada.
Oh, on camera too. You're going to jail. She's a fake vaccine fan. Guys, you have to have proof of vaccination to come here. And they tell you after you buy your ticket, so pretty shady. We're at the very first step. I'm starting my timer right now. There, Rochelle, I'm about to kick your ass. I wasn't ready. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Endless lakes. Look at this, as far as the eye can see. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my God. You cannot beat this. Okay, so we're here, very top, like it's 25. So what is that? $7 to come up here, and yeah, definitely worth it. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen something quite like this. Wow. I don't think these little guys see the big picture. That's the big picture. That's us every day in our daily lives, just missing out on the world. And that's the big picture. Just absolutely stunning. I hope you guys get to come see this someday. It's amazing. There's the helicopter right there. Just fantastic. I mean, it looks like God came down and painted this with a brush.
I'm not afraid by.
You got a giant hormiga in your
Yes.
Yeah, he's right on the side of your head.
I see. I.
See. He's got big teeth. Take your gaffers. Ahí. Okay, listo. The best you can get. Guys, it's freaking beautiful. Come here early, because now we've been here, it's almost 10 o'clock, now look. Hay mucha gente, there's a lot of people here.
Yes.
So come early. We love you.
Yes.
Give him a kiss. Now I get to watch everybody else like, oh God. Look at that view. Absolutely stunning. Oh. Is this like a route down?
Yes.
Okay, different route down. Yeah. On the way up, I was not thinking about the way down, and I think the way down is worse. Because you definitely don't want to fall. It would be better than this. A slide. I would definitely take a slide down. This though. Oh, knees over toes guy. I think this is where you need to start training people. So I feel like my knees are gonna blow out. A tumble right now would be like the worst thing ever. I wonder how many people fall, because these stairs are narrow. They're not like very wide. Just realized I never really blessed the rock. It's all wet. Bless the rock. Oh. This was the guy that bought the rock. Here's the man, the myth, the legend. He climbed up there and it made it his. That's why you want to go very early in the morning, 8:30, right when they open. Because you don't want to be in that line going up those stairs. Guys, I can honestly not think of a better way to end this video than on top of El Peñol and this stunning view. What can I say, man? Like, I am absolutely doing my best to make 2022 a good year, and I hope these videos are helping you get out and travel more, or exercise more, or be alive, be present, be in your body, you know. I'm gonna take some time to just look at it, but I hope this guide helped, because it is a beautiful place. Take 2 days, come see it. You know, take the boat tour, go out on the reservoir, you know, walk the city, you know, have a beer, talk to people, enjoy life. Because you don't get a lot of chances to do stuff like this. Well, most of us don't. So this, I need some time with it, you know. So I'm gonna shut this down. Hope it helped. Have a blessed year. I love you guys.